it's SimplyBriannaB and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash and maintain my Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair clip-ins and get them back to this beautiful, bouncy, shiny state. So the guidebook recommends that you use specific brands. So I'm using the coconut milk shampoo by Organics and also the argan oil conditioner. So to wash my hair, I usually go in the kitchen sink. And the first thing I do is make sure that the hair is completely covered with water and all set to be shampooed. And I know I should have one of those things to catch the hair from going down the drain, but I lost mine and I don't know where it is. So, all right, so we're going to cover the hair in shampoo, just pour it all over. And instead of scrunching up or bunching the hair, you want to go in a downward motion. Work the shampoo in a downward motion to make sure that you do not cause any unnecessary tangling. So you're going to repeat this again I usually turn the hair over to the other side just to make sure I don't miss anything, any spots. And then I'm going to make sure I rinse out all the shampoo so we can get ready to add the conditioner. And with your conditioner, you're going to do the same exact process. Pour the conditioner all over and then use that downward motion to work the product in. Then we're going to wrap up the hair, and then I'm going to put it inside a plastic bag and leave it for 30 minutes so it can deep condition. Now you're going to take the hair out and use cold water, cool or cold water. I usually just turn on the cold water, and you're going to rinse out all of the conditioner. Make sure there is nothing left behind because you do not want any residue. So now you're going to wring out all of the hair, and I attempted to air dry this. I put it in a t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt, and I left it overnight to dry. Last time I left it like out in front of a window or something, and this time I didn't, so I had to go in with the blow dryer because I didn't have time. I'm definitely going to use it on warm and low, the lowest settings possible. And I'm going to go on with my BioSilk Silk Therapy to protect the hair from any heat damage. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just basically going up and down the hair with the hairdryer, and every so often I'm going to brush it out to make sure that it's not too tangled and to make sure that all of the hair is getting dry. So I'm literally just repeating the same process until all of the hair is completely dry. And this is the hair after being completely blow dried. So now I'm going to go in with my EAP flat irons, and I'm going to put it on 430 degrees rather than 450, just to prevent any unnecessary heat damage. And we also, of course, want to go back in with that BioSilk. And what I'm doing is I have a towel in between my legs to protect me from not only the heat of the flat iron, but also in case there are any, the clip-ins are still wet at the top. And then what I do is I section it off, and then I do the chase method, and I make sure that I keep it to 2 passes, no more and no less. And this process is done on each individual clip-in until they're all straightened. All of the detailed information about these clip-ins and how to get them are in the description box, though I will note that this video is not in any way, shape, or form sponsored. I bought this with my own money. And these are the results after everything is done. They look very shiny. They're back to their beautiful state as in the first time that I used them. And as long as you do this every 2 to 3 weeks, your hair will stay in this beautiful state for as long as possible. And for me, clip-ins usually last at least a year, if not more. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is the hair after I installed it. If you would like to see how I installed it, just click on the link in the card above. And thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.